Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video, I actually just realized I did not record an intro to it. So here is the intro. I'm just going to be doing this look right here. So if you are wanting to know how to recreate this look, go ahead and just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And my social medias will be linked down below so that you guys can follow me. I'm sorry that the background has to be like this, but I just totally forgot to do an intro. So here it is for you guys. I know it's crappy, but now let's get into the video. So let's get started. So I already prepped my skin. I cleansed, toned, and moisturized, and now I'm just gonna move into the makeup portion. And excuse my nails, I know they look super crusty, but I haven't had time to get them done, so just bear with me. I brought you guys in a little bit closer so you guys can see what I'm doing. So the look that we're gonna go for today, it's very simple. We just need a few shades and tones and stuff. So the palettes that I'll be using, this one is probably gonna be the ideal one for this look. This is the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, and I believe this is the first one. So the majority of these shades in here are mattes, so this is gonna be more of just a matte look. So any palette that you have that has neutrals and stuff that are matte would work. Also, this is a good palette. This is the Kim Kardashian West palette. This shade right here is actually really pretty for a transition shade. And also, if you have the Sultry palette, this one has very nice transition shades as well, like this one, and it has your black one, and it has a deep brown one. All these shades, it just kind of depends on how you want to build up the intensity. Okay, and another really good palette that is one of my ultimate favorites that you can use literally for any look is this is the Tartelette palette, and it has a bunch of neutrals. They're all matte, so they have really nice transition shades as well as pack on the lid shades. I'm probably just gonna stick to using this palette, but if I do change it up, I'll show you guys, and I'll show you guys what shades I use, okay? Let's get started. So I'm so excited because I recently just got my eyebrows done, so they're nice and groomed. Everything's starting to open back up now, so I'm just catching up on the little beauty needs that we need to do. So if you guys seen my eyebrow tutorial, you guys will know how I like to fill in my brows. But I try to do them as natural as possible. Right now I'm using the Anastasia pomade in the shade medium brown. So this one, I just like to place it just everywhere on my eyebrow, focus it on the middle to the end. If you guys see my eyebrow tutorial, you guys will know how it is that I fill in my brows. If you guys would like to see how I do my eyebrows in depth, I did an eyebrow tutorial, and I'll link that one down below. But now we're going to move on into the eyes. So I'm first going to prime my eyelids with this MAC paint pot, and this is in soft ochre. Really any brush will work for this. This is just like a dome brush like this. It's just one of those like packing brushes. So I'm just going to go in and prime all of my eyelid. This one is really nice because it's add kind of like a concealer where it just really covers up if you have any veins, if you have any discoloration or just anything. It's really good at covering, as well as it gives us a really good and even base to start our eyeshadow. Like I said, I'm going to be using this palette. So this is a chocolate bar palette, and I am going to be going into this shade right here. This is white chocolate, and I'm just going to go in and just pack this all on my lid because I want to set it so the shadows can blend out easier. Now I'm just going to take a blending brush that looks like this. This is the Morphe M441 brush. So it's just a big fluffy brush, and I am going to take this shade right here next to white chocolate. It's called Milk Chocolate, and I'm going to pack this on my crease. So this is going to be our transition shade. Make sure you take off the excess when you do pack on this color because it does have some fallout. So you're going to begin on your crease and then just slowly work it in. I first like to pat, and then I like to blend out, because I feel like when you pat shadow on or pack it on, you get more color payoff versus when you just go straight in and then you start like blending it, then you're kind of like losing pigment. But it's better just to start off with a little bit and then work yourself up. If you do put too much, it may just get like a hot mess just from the start. So less is more, and then slowly just build up the intensity. From looking at it, I think it's pretty even. Now from here, you can definitely build it up, build up the intensity. You can add deeper shades if you want to have a deeper smoky eye, or you can just keep it as a natural, simple smoky eye where you just have a transition color, and that's basically what I want to do for this look. I don't want to do too much, so I'm just going to keep it at that, and I'm just going to put like a shade on all of my eyelid. So first I'm just going to go back into the shade White Chocolate and just going to pack this on my lid once more, just to make it a little bit make it pop a little more and also help blend out the transition shade. Like I said, you guys, this look is so simple. You can really just get away with doing 2 shades, but what's going to be really nice about it is like you're going to add lashes and you're going to do some winged eyeliner, so that's going to be really make your eyes stand out. But the main focus of this look, it is the red lips. So I don't want to make my eyes like too dramatic and then take away like the spotlight of the red lips, if you get what I mean. To make it a little bit deeper, so I'm just going to go in with the Tarte lip palette, and I'm just going to go in this shade right here, Dreamer, and I am going to be using that Morphe M506 brush. So it's a little bit of a smaller blending brush. I really like this, very, very precise. So I'm literally just going to go in and kind of do the outer V, and then I'm going to kind of bring it in just a little bit. I'm not trying to get too crazy with it because I'm not trying to have it be too dark. And then I'm gonna go back in with the first brush that we used, and I'm gonna go back with that first shade, which was milk chocolate from the chocolate bar palette. And I'm just gonna go over it. I'm just gonna go over the shade that we just laid on there, just to kind of blend it all out and make it really look smoked out. Just went back with the Too Faced white chocolate eyeshadow. So with the same brush, we're just gonna pack it on. Now I'm just gonna go in with my NYX liquid liner. I also have a tutorial on this if you haven't checked it out. I'll link it down below on how to achieve a winged eyeliner. I showed 2 different ways for beginners. You can just do it just with the straight eyeliner or also with the tape. So make sure you check out that video to learn how. Now I'm just gonna pop on some lashes and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so now I'm back. I already put on my eyelashes, did my eyeliner. The lashes that I'm using today are Makeup Shack lashes in the style Miami. So these are really nice because they have like a winged out type of, like the lashes go like winged out, you know? And it looks really nice when you have a winged eyeliner with it. So I think it complements the look very, very nicely. So now let's move on to the skin. So same skin routine as always. I'm just gonna take the Ulta primer. This is the mattifying face primer. Foundation that I'll be using today is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. I'm sorry that I'm applying it like this. The pump doesn't work, so this is kind of how I have to apply it. I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. So it's just like a buffing brush. So I'm just gonna go in and just kind of buff it in. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna go in and put on some concealer, and I'm just gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the color 20 Sand Sable. So just taking a sponge, I'm just gonna blend it all out. Okay you guys, now I'm just going to cream contour, so I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild contour stick, same as before, so just put on. Going with the Real Techniques blender brush, stippling brush, and just blend it out. I'm just going to take like this angled fluffy brush and just blend out the nose contour. And I know you still kind of have a line, so I'm just going to go in with my beauty sponge and blend the rest. Okay, now I'm just gonna bake my under eyes using, I put the powder on here, but this translucent powder, I'm gonna pack it on with this brush. This is the Morphe E8 brush. This is the Morphe E437 brush. This is to contour, so I'm gonna go in with this Urban Decay bronzer in the shade Bronze. Blush I'm going to be using today is from this Kylie Jenner Cosmetic palette, and I'm using this shade right here. So this is like, it's really cool because it has like a contour, it has a blush, and it has 2 different highlighters. So if you're on the go, this is a really good palette, and the quality is really good. Okay guys, so I'm just going to go in and dust off the setting powder. So I'm just going to go in and just dust anything off. I'm just going to go in with this Morphe setting spray, and I'm going to set on my face. I'm just going to go in with my highlighting brush from Morphe. This is the M510 brush, and I am going to be taking my favorite highlighter. This is the Amarazi highlighter by ABH. I take this mini fan brush that I have. This one is from Crown Brushes. I just don't know what number it is, but from Crown Brushes. And I'm just going to place under on my brow bone like that. So it just gives it that nice little pop. I'm just going to take it on like a detailed brush like this. This is the Morphe E36 brush. So I'm just going to go in with the shade Dreamer from the Tartelette palette. So go in and just pack it on. I'm gonna go in with this brush right here. This is the Morphe E17 brush, and I am just gonna take my highlighter. This is as my inner corner highlight. Just to finish it off, we're just going to go in with some mascara on our lower lashes. I'm just going to go and top off my eyebrows, or set my eyebrows with this 24-hour brow setter by Benefit. And this is just in the color Clear. Today I'm just going to be taking the Lime Crime liquid lipstick. If you want to use a lip liner, you totally can.